Hey guys, it's Keith Rainville with the CBDstore.com. That's CBDSstore.com. So I want to do this quick video. People always ask me about our pricing and they want to compare. And I just want to, I'm going to do a few quick videos in comparison our prices and products to a lot of the stuff that's out there. As you see on my screen, I'm going to compare today. I'm going to compare Green Roads, a company which is a big popular company. They buy hemp from all over the country and all over the world, and so I want to show people just what. Just in the comparison, just a quick look. So we sell a 200 milligram bottle of CBD oil for $20. Their price is $26.99 for 100 milligrams. Over 30% higher for half the product, okay? So, and I'm going to show you that on our site in just a minute, but let me just go through this. They also sell a 250 milligram for $45.99. Our price on that's a 200 milligram again, and that's just a little more. Theirs is 50 milligrams more, but is over half the price. 350 milligrams, $64.99. Our 600 milligram is less than that at $55. So our prices are amazing. We are raising hemp on the Bee's Knees farm, and it is no pesticides, organic. We don't use any additives. Our stuff is mixed with coconut oil, so it has a great flavor, and it is so much less expensive. We have a 1,200 and a 3,200 milligram bottle coming out, as well as our Cannabis products are all small farm, and they are so much less expensive. I will give you just an example. At Cannabis in the CBDstore.com, one of the products that we sell from a small farm is a 3,000 milligram bottle. This bottle we cannot keep in stock. As a matter of fact, we are out of stock on it right now. But 3,000 milligrams we sell for $150. If you take a look at their price, it is $209 for that, for half of what we supply. So half of the product for almost 30% more again. So again, if you just take a look at here, our Cannabis 1000 is $80. This is almost double of what they're selling it for. Let's just go down the list here. Look at this. This is astronomical. Our 3,000 milligram bottle is $150, and you can get 10% off of that on top of that with free shipping. And their 3,000 milligram bottle is almost 1.5 times, actually 2.5 times the amount of our bottle here. Mm-hmm. So guys, check us out. Green Roads is astronomically expensive, and it's just, you can save so much money with us at the CBDstore.com. We really love to earn your business. Your products get shipped the same day. We carry products in stock, and we have also wholesale available as well, guys. So check us out. We definitely compare with Green Roads, and we exceed the quality of the product. I am absolutely sure. I compete with them in a market, and we just totally, people love our product so much more, and we save them a ton of money, as you see here, guys. So guys, check us out, CBDSstore.com. So it's CBDstore.com, guys. Again, join our Facebook group with over 5,000 members in it. Free contest on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Okay, thanks for watching.